Hello, my friends, and welcome to day 5 of the 30-day stretching challenge. Today's practice will be focused on the neck and the shoulders. You can do it completely seated if you would like in your office chair at work or at home in an armchair, or you could do it outside on a park bench, or you could even do it standing. It's really up to you. When you're ready, find a comfortable seated position. Inhale to expand the chest, breathe in the nose. Exhale out the mouth to release the shoulders down and back. Let's begin today's practice with a few neck rolls. Take your right ear to your right shoulder, then drop your head around in front, all the way over to the left side. Taking a few from side to side here at your own pace. Go ahead and take your last one or two, finding your way over to the right side, right ear to right shoulder. Extend your left fingertips out to the side. To deepen the stretch, you could play around with bringing your fingertips forward or backward. Wherever you are, breathing into the left side of the neck. On your next breath, inhale to sit up tall. Give yourself a shoulder roll. Exhale, drop your left ear to your left shoulder. And we'll take a few more neck rolls now. Coming forward, nice and slow, all the way over to the right. And back over to the left. A few more like this at your own speed. Take your last one or two, finding your way back over so that your left ear melts towards your left shoulder. Stay there. Extend the right fingertips out to the side. Breathing into the right side of the neck. Place your right fingertips back on your lap. Take your head forward to look down toward the ground. To deepen the stretch along the back of your neck, gently place your hands on the back of your head, adding just a little bit of pressure. Slowly sit up tall, allowing the elbows to open out wide, opening through the chest. And we'll take some side bends, dropping one elbow over to the side, lifting the opposite elbow up to the sky. Then exhale, coming back through center over to the other side. Taking a few more of these at your own speed. Inhale to sit up tall, coming back to center. Release your hands down by your side just for a second. Give them a little shake out. Once again, interlace your hands behind your head. This time, we're going to come into a twist. Inhale to sit up tall. Exhale, one elbow comes forward, the other elbow comes back. Inhale to center and exhale over to the other side. Take two more. Inhale to sit up tall through the crown of the head. Exhale, release your hands down by your sides. Shoulder rolls. Inhale to squeeze your shoulders up. Exhale, rolling them open, down and back. Take a few of these at your own speed and then switch directions. Last one, find some stillness. Shake it all out. Take your right arm across your body, coming into a shoulder stretch. You can gently pull your right arm towards your chest to deepen the stretch. Breathe into the front of your right shoulder. Last breath here. Reach your right arm up to the sky, bend the right elbow, tricep stretch. Use the left hand just to guide the elbow towards your back, allowing your right fingertips to travel further down your back. Release your right arm, shake it out. We'll switch over and do the other side. Left arm comes across your body, shoulder stretch. Check in with your left shoulder. Make sure it isn't creeping up towards your ear. Maintain that length through the side of your neck, sitting up nice and tall. On your next breath in, reach your arms up, bend the left elbow, tricep stretch. Left fingertips trying to crawl down your back. Last big breath in. Reach your fingertips up toward the sky, interlace your palms. Press your palms up, 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 stretching the wrists, stretching through the sides of the body. On your exhale, press your palms forward, rounding through the back, gaze toward the ground. Inhale to reach up. Exhale to round, press forward. Do that one more time. Inhale to reach up. And exhale, round. Sit up tall, release the clasp of your hands. Shake it all out. One more big full body stretch. Inhale to reach up, fingertips, reach, 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 reach. And exhale, cactus your arms out to the side, opening through the chest. Exhaling it all out. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope this one makes you feel better, more loose and limber, and ready to tackle the rest of your day. Don't forget to check your progress off on your progress calendar, and I will see you again tomorrow. Goodbye.